Not every journey is easy. Not every road takes you straight to success. Not every decision is the smartest. But without man's curiosity to experiment with life and its surroundings, advances in technology and space exploration would never have taken flight. For over 50 years, space exploration has risen to become one of man's most notable accomplishments. It's interesting how two countries obsessed with destroying each other with bombs sparked a new generation of space exploration. Without the unfortunate events of World War II or the Cold War, NASA would not be able to stretch its arms into space the way they can today. All of the guns, rockets, and war ultimately led to the questioning of humankind's existence in outer space. Although humans have survived for thousands of years on the Earth's surface, they cannot yet do the same while orbiting in space. Even when exposed to very dangerous elements, astronauts still challenge themselves with space exploration for the sake of science. Between engineers, scientists, and programmers lies a deeper reason, a deeper uncertainty that leads us to believe life exists beyond our own world. "... 2003 kicked off with an intense investigation of life beyond our planet. With intentions of discovering water on Mars, NASA began selecting scientists for their newest endeavor, the Rover Explorer mission. NASA's Rover mission was created in hopes of exploring the surface of Mars. Like the Moon, Mars can get extremely cold and does not have much of an atmosphere. Compared to the Earth, Mars has only 1/3 of the gravity and is layered with fine dust called regolith. With an incredible amount of experience and information, NASA constructed 2 rovers to explore the surface of Mars in hopes of finding evidence that water once existed on the planet. On June 10th and July 7th, the Rover Explorer mission successfully launched the 2 rovers to Mars. With names like Spirit and Opportunity, NASA was sure their rovers would operate properly.
Main engine start. 1, 0, and liftoff of the Delta rocket with Mars Pathfinder.
Encased in a strong airbag-protected craft, the rovers landed on Mars about 7 months later. Spirit and Opportunity began collecting and returning data to Earth, where the Jet Propulsion Lab had 28 scientists monitoring the activities. Both Spirit and Opportunity carried cameras to focus on surrounding territory, thermal spectrometers for testing temperatures, magnets to collect dust, and many other tools that aided in discovering new material on Mars. Cameras were stabilized at least 5 feet above the rover and showed a full circular panoramic view. The thermal emission spectrometer both rovers carried was used to pinpoint how rocks on Mars formed. Scientists back on Earth also monitored the spectrometer to record the atmospheric conditions of the planet. Another cool gadget installed was a rock abrasion tool that removed old and weathered surfaces